Well, a mysterious viral illness is causing a lot of fear, panic in China, and straining the government health facilities a lot. It is known as human metapneumovirus, that is HMPV, which is causing concern due to its similarities with COVID-19 outbreak. Reports indicate the illness is spreading rapidly and placing significant strain on China's healthcare system. Professor Tulio de Oliveira, director of the Center for Epidemic Response and Innovation at Stellenbosch University, is the person we get to know from him what this virus is all about. What is it? How can it be prevented? So, Director, good morning and welcome.
And good morning to you and all your viewers, and Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah. So just to start, we don't have anything to be concerned at the moment in South Africa. But what is metapneumovirus, or what is short for HMPV? So it is another respiratory virus. It's an old virus. It has been discovered around 40 years ago, but it is known to exist at least since late 1950s. Yeah. Is a respiratory virus that causes normally common cold, less severe than flu, but in the very young and the very old, it can cause like flu-like symptoms. Which kind of symptoms we are talking about the metapneumovirus? We are talking about the normal cold symptoms, of flu symptoms, of coughing, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath.
Well, I joked at the start of maybe at the end of last year, 2024, that whenever Donald Trump takes office, there's always something more scary. And I said, we may end up having COVID 2025 if Donald Trump takes office. But that was just a joke. I hope this disease does not become a pandemic, and I hope Donald Trump this time around does not misbehave, because America has the best facilities to contain the virus, and they should not be selfish under Donald Trump to assist China in containing this outbreak, not to be like the one which happened to Wuhan, where Donald Trump was calling it Chinese virus. And we need to remember that previous years, America has helped contain viruses which would have turned into pandemic, like SARS-2, which was a variant of COVID-19, but was contained. Obama administration contained Zika virus in Brazil, and a lot of variant of Ebola in Africa, which would mutate to become pandemic. So this development is something which is very, very scary in China, but we wait to see how the world will respond. World Health Organization has not yet mentioned anything about the virus. They are yet to speak. Thank you.